Hello everyone. Today I want to teach you the next comment here in Spherene inspector, which is called details. So using add details, you can add another object as solid to your Spherene parts without losing a lot of properties. So for that, I'm gonna come to here and then create a sphere in this area. So I already made that. And now I already chose my envelope and the density is 30 for the main box that I'm looking for. Then I click on details and here, similar to boundary, you have some settings. I will also attach the screenshot of each of them and their meanings at the end of this video. You can take a look at it. Visually, it's much easier to understand it, but they are all related to how your structure gets connected to an external object. So I'm going to keep everything as it is right now and just click the closed mesh and enter. So this sphere has been chosen as detail object for me. I go to compute, I click on solid surface, and then here I choose density and funk. This is my favorite color theme. You feel free to choose whatever you're looking for. And then I click on compute. The SDK will pop up and computation begins. Okay, so the computation is over. And now if I go to Arctic view, I can see also this face is covered, but that's not because we chose boundary. That is because of the view. Go back to here and turn off the unnecessary lights like default and meshes. And now this is our object. We can also go to the details here and uncheck this. And I see that I have solid surface. This is the only last layer that needs to be turned on. When I click on it and I hide it, I see that this sphere still exists because this is there from the initial drawing. So I click on that and then go to this button and hide it. So when it is hidden, I turn on the solid surface and now you see my structure has been connected to the external object that I was looking for, and those information, which I will add at the end of this video, define how the structure gets connected to an external object. This is a very, very simple and easy example, but when it gets into the production and in real world designs, these parameters become very valuable.